Lovely control for Neymar. The no-look pass with the cross towards Cavani.
Neymar running with purpose this time.
First touch. Oh, lovely play. Lovely play from Neymar.
Come up with every trick in his armoury to escape the attentions of the retreating Angers players.
Made amends and now Neymar accelerates. Oh, beautifully done. Neymar. He's on his way now. The no-look pass for Di Maria.
Neymar's going through the full repertoire now. It's the flick from Neymar.
Neymar. Now Neymar. Petit pont, as they call it here. The nutmeg from Neymar.
Finds Neymar. Lovely control and